push it hard and fold it, that's it. And it's just little tips like that.
Today we've got Michelle, who is a local caterer from Liverpool, show how to do Italian cooking, but also give people a chance to see our show homes and have a look around the development.
We've made fresh focaccia bread, so we've made our own dough. We've made fresh dough for the pizzas. We've made a tomato sauce, meatballs, and we did mac and cheese because it's a family favourite and everybody likes it.
The highlight of the visit has been the meatballs, because I've tried making them myself, but the way Michelle made them was much easier and much tastier.
And I'm just going to tear this onto it.
Regency Manor, brilliant place to live, West Derby. For last year it was voted the most up-and-coming place in Liverpool. Very desirable postcodes, got an absolutely stunning little village, great community feeling there.
We bought on Regency Manor because of the style of the houses. We found a house exactly what we wanted, and it's got the large kitchen, diner, family room.
I absolutely love using the Redrow houses. The ovens are fantastic, and there's lots of space, there's lots of cupboard space, which is really important if you've got a family.
Today's been really lovely. I've met loads of people who are also buying the Redrow homes. The food has been really superb.
What I love about Redrow is they've really embraced the community spirit, bringing people together. These are potential buyers, get to know your neighbours. It's been a lot of fun. There's been a mix of people all joining in. We've had a great day.